air travel has always been faster than driving, and one company is working to bring that advantage into everyday city transportation. Archer, a Stellantis-backed electric aircraft manufacturer, believes people shouldn't have to spend hours sitting in traffic when they could simply fly over it. That's the vision behind its all-electric air taxi called Midnight. Midnight is a new type of aircraft that combines features of a helicopter and an airplane. It takes off and lands vertically, so it doesn't need a traditional runway. The aircraft is designed to carry up to 4 passengers, travel as far as 100 miles on a single charge, and reach speeds of around 150 miles per hour. The goal is to make short city trips much quicker while producing zero in-flight emissions. Archer has spent years talking about how this technology could transform travel in busy cities, and now it's starting to prove those claims with real flights. At the end of July, one of the company's Midnight prototypes completed a round trip between Salinas Municipal Airport and Monterey Regional Airport in California. The flight marked an important milestone because it became one of the first piloted round-trip eVTOL flights, completed with approval from the Federal Aviation Administration. Each leg of the journey took just 9 minutes, while the same trip by car usually takes around 35 minutes. That dramatic difference highlights exactly what Archer hopes these aircraft will accomplish by replacing long drives with quick flights. This achievement comes at a crucial time for the company. Later this year, Archer plans to begin operations through the U.S. government's VTOL Integration Pilot Program, which is focused on helping electric air taxis become part of the country's transportation network. The company is also preparing for one of its biggest opportunities yet. Midnight has already been selected as the official air taxi for the 2028 Olympic Games in Los Angeles, where it is expected to transport passengers between key locations and demonstrate how urban air mobility could work on a large scale. Building the aircraft is only part of the challenge. Electric air taxis also need places to recharge, and Archer is already working on that. The company recently teamed up with Beta Technologies and Macquarie Capital to launch America's Consortium for Electric Skyways, or ACES. The plan is to install Aviation charging stations at 250 air taxi locations across the United States, creating the infrastructure needed to support future VTOL operations. Electric air taxis are still in the early stages, but projects like Midnight are showing that the concept is moving beyond computer renderings and test promises. With successful flights, expanding infrastructure, and major events like the Los Angeles Olympics on the horizon, Archer is getting closer to turning urban air travel into a practical transportation option.